An outstanding masterpiece of Russian jewelry art, the silver tea set Lyko, was created within the walls of the renowned Grachev Brothers workshop, official purveyors to the imperial court. This is no mere utensil. It is an artistic statement cast in noble metal. It unites the grandeur of form, the poetry of ornament, and the breadth of tradition. It seems to embody the very spirit of its time, its taste, its style, its soul. The set is crafted in the neo-Russian style, an aesthetic born in the depths of Russian artistic thought in the second half of the 19th century. It was a response to the call of the age, a yearning to touch the roots once more, to reinterpret the legacy of ancient Russes through the language of high decorative art. Inspired by the architecture of churches, the silhouettes of terems, the rhythm of embroidery, and the carved patterns of peasant izbas, the neo-Russian style elevated craftsmanship into a cultural code. It became a form of national self-awareness, a voice turned toward memory, symbols, and the native land. At the heart of the set lies the rare trompe-l'oeil technique. In the master's hands, metal loses its nature and gains a new one. It becomes woven Lyko, soft, alive, almost textile in feel. The silver seems pliant as birch bark. Illusion becomes perfection, and form becomes the embodiment of intention. This is not imitation. It is a poetic gesture, a celebration of jeweler's illusion, where nature seems captured in metal and granted eternity. Every line, every curve is filled with quiet and meaning, transforming the set into a sculptural tale of folk tradition and the refined decorativeness of the late 19th century. And in every contour, the breath of the age lingers. The Grachev factory mark, shining like a sign of imperial favor, crowns the set as a seal of artistic truth and eternal value. The silver set Lyko is not merely a witness of a bygone era. It is its voice, its reflection, its golden seal in silver.